Can stress cause back pain? Well, if you ask a doctor, they'll say no, it can't. They'll tell you it's slip discs or pinched nerves or something like that. Stress is never even considered. Doctors told me that herniated discs were causing my back pain, and at the time that sounded reasonable. I mean, I could see the herniation on my MRI, and it was only later that I found out that the whole thing was just smoke and mirrors. So, doctors say the spine always causes back pain, but what about the actual pain sufferers themselves? What do they think? Well, in 2017, a survey firm, Statistica, asked 5,000 back pain sufferers what they thought was causing their back pain. And the number one answer was stress. Back pain sufferers thought stress and anxiety were causing their back pain, even though their doctors said differently. So I'm not crazy and you aren't either. In fact, we're in the majority according to that survey. Two types of pain stressors. Now, when it comes to chronic back pain, there are two types of stressors that cause it. The first type includes all the daily stressors of life, all things stressful. Some stressors are obvious, like rush hour traffic and problems at work or too much screen time. And some are not so obvious, like repressed anger from childhood trauma. It's usually multiple layers of stress that add up to cause chronic back pain initially. And then after that, the second type of stress is the back pain itself. I can tell you from my own experience that back pain, while it won't kill you, it will disrupt your entire life. Now, when I got back pain, my whole life very quickly revolved around the pain. I couldn't work, so my finances suffered. Sitting at a desk was super painful, and I didn't like socializing anymore. I was on all kinds of prescription drugs, and my number one goal in life was just to get comfortable. And you don't get much sympathy for back pain because no one can see your pain. And since stress was what initially caused my back pain, and since the back pain created even more stress, and since my doctors didn't recognize stress as the cause of back pain, I came very close to never getting better. But then one day, a friend of mine who's a general surgeon tipped me off to the truth about back pain that he learned only after having 7 failed back surgeries. He simply said to me, "John, stress definitely causes back pain." And that's the takeaway from this video, and it's not a rare event either. Approximately 99% of all back pain is caused by stress and anxiety. But my doctor said. Now, when you have back pain, you should always go see your doctor first. However, it doesn't really matter what diagnosis you get. They all seem completely reasonable and legitimate, but then why are the results so terrible? Why don't they just tell us the truth? Doctors don't tell us the truth because they don't know the truth because it's not taught in medical school. They're not allowed to tell the truth because they would be fired by the hospital or medical group. And they can't tell us the truth because it would cost the pain industry billions of dollars. The average total cost to become a spine surgeon is around $500,000, so they can't afford to tell us the truth. Gooby told the truth. But actually, there was one spine surgeon who quit in 2024 because he realized that his back surgery almost never made the patient better. Now, his name is Gooby, and he walked away from a very large income because his conscience couldn't take it anymore. Gooby did a video about quitting spine surgery that got over 10 million views in the first week. You may have seen it. Now, Gooby explains that he figured out that emotions, not the spine, were causing his patient's back pain. He just had to quit. And I hate to say it, but what Gooby knows, all spine surgeons know. And they're deliberately doing unnecessary surgery, and their results prove it. And so this is all really good news because stress is a much smaller problem than going through complex back surgery that doesn't work anyway. Now, since curing my own back pain in 2016, we've helped over 10,000 people do the same. In fact, check out our free Healing Back Pain workshop that explains the 3 simple steps for healing back pain. You can find it at our website at calmyourback.com, and there is a link below this video. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.